Good morning, Craig Mack here, Liberty Bell Beekeepers. So we are at an apartment complex today called Woodcrest Village. We're dealing with some chimney bees. So we got a loose brick up at the top and the bees are coming in and out. A little slow this morning, it's a little gray, a little bit of rain, but it's supposed to clear up and get us to dry conditions a little bit later. So the back side of the chimney there is where the bees are. So we're going to get up there, take apart some of that chimney and get these bees out of there. Gonna be a fun day up and down a ladder, working on the roof. Going to harness up and make sure we're all good. Take it from there. Okay, so our bees are in this different part of the chimney than what I was expecting. I didn't see this here last time I was here. They're on the front side of this chimney. I'm not sure you can be able to see. I'm gonna go vertical orientation here. So our bees are all the way down in here. All right, so we got our chimney opened up and this is a good one. This is where we started, and they built about 3.5 feet all the way to the cap. A lot of bees, been here a few years looks like. So we're gonna get to getting into these and start at the bottom, work our way up. And we are in it, just starting to remove comb now. This is a good one. It's been here, looks like a couple of years. It's about 3 feet from bottom to top. I got one cage full of bees already. That's one thing about these early in the season removals. There's a lot of bees because they're prepping for swarming. So I'm probably going to fill 2 or 3 of these cages here today. Luckily the weather's cool, so the bees won't overheat. But we're getting into it and we're going to be here a good while because it's not a great spot, inconvenient. All ladder work behind the chimney. When I get up there I'll show you some more. Okay, so we're up the ladder here. We got at least 3 or 4 rows of comb that I can see, possibly more. You're looking at about 18 inches right there and another 18 going up to the cap of the chimney. So a lot of bees in this, a lot of comb, not convenient. We're about halfway through the bottom section. I think I only got maybe 1 or 2 more rows behind this. I don't know, it's all brand new wax or newer wax. But we still have the other half up here. I'm about 3 hours in, 3.5 hours. A lot of bees. 2 full containers in the vacuum already and half a tote full of wax. Let's get back to it. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here as far as the removal goes. Take a look inside. Big open space in these chimneys next to the flue. We had, what is that, 7 or 8 rows of comb extending down about 40 inches. I got a little bit of comb left I got to clean up in here. A little bit of honey, but I'll be back tomorrow to do the repair work, button these bricks back up and get everything cleaned up. Usually, especially in the summertime, sometimes I have to come back to do a last sweep of bees, but most times I try to set a second vacuum up at the entrance so that way I'm collecting all those bees as they're coming back and I don't have to deal with a return trip. My service is based on a daily rate, and if I can get it done in a day, even better. So ended up with 3 canisters of bees, queen in the clip, big old queen, tote full of comb. Good day. Thanks for watching. All right, what's up guys? Craig Mack here. So we were back the next day for the chimney removal, and we got her all buttoned up. All the bricks back in place, the top cap repointed, and remortared and sealed up. Just needs a rinse. Although I don't have a hose here, I'm gonna have to try to find one of the maintenance guys. But that's it. So all in all, we're looking at about I don't know, almost 11 hours here with this removal. Big removal, a lot of bees, a lot of comb, a lot of work up and down the ladder all day. So we're all buttoned up, ready to go. Later.